If you've ever liked a post on X, formerly Twitter, and later wanted to find it again, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your liked posts on X.com or Twitter in just a few seconds. This is super useful if you want to revisit a post, save a useful thread, or find something you interacted with earlier. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open X.com or the Twitter app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Here you'll see different sections like Home, Explore, Notifications, and more. To find your liked posts, click on Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page, where X shows your posts, replies, and other account activity. On your profile page, look near the top for the tab section. You should see options like Posts, Replies, Highlights, and Likes. Click the Likes tab. As soon as you do that, X will load a list of all the posts you've liked on your account. This makes it easy to scroll through and review anything you've previously liked. You can click any post from this list to open it, read it again, reply to it, repost it, or share it with someone else. If you don't see a post you expected, keep in mind that the original post may have been deleted, the account may be private, or you may have unliked it already. That's all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you can check all your liked posts on X or Twitter anytime you want. If this tutorial was helpful, please tap like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.